There are two verbs that describe what a plane does. There's flying and there's flying. Meet Power Up Dart, a paper airplane that's not just flying, it's flying. This is Shai, a pilot, industrial designer, and inventor. Shai loves everything airborne. 4 years ago, he was challenged by a friend to create a smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Shai accepted the challenge and created Power Up 3, the first ever smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Then 2 years ago, that same friend challenged him to put a camera on the plane. So Shai created Power Up FPV, the first ever smartphone-controlled paper airplane with a streaming camera. Shai's friend looked at those creations and said, "Cool, but you can't make a paper plane that can do a loop and a barrel roll and then stall turn." Then Shai stopped his friend before he hyperventilated and said, "Challenge accepted." Now, after a year of prototyping and testing, it's here. Power Up Dart, the first ever smartphone-controlled paper airplane that can do aerobatics. Yes, other planes can fly, but they can't loop or barrel roll or fly vertically. Dart can. It is incredible, and it is small. Just take a piece of paper, fold it into a plane, attach the module, download the app, and tell your friends G-Force got nothing on you. You're an aerobatics pilot now. Power Up Dart gets its incredible aerobatic capability from the high thrust to weight ratio and unique shape of the plane. Despite being so incredible, flying the Dart is easy and intuitive. Move the phone to any direction and the wings will follow. When you start, the plane goes to 70% of its throttle, so you can fly it like a regular plane. But press the boost button and you give the plane that extra kick that transforms it into a flying monster. A small, flying monster. Power Up's Bluetooth module easily charges through its micro USB port, and the entire thing is made of carbon fiber and nylon, so it's nearly indestructible. Dart invites you to make many planes in many shapes, because every plane brings with it new tricks, and with them, new gasps for air. Try 5, 10, 50 planes, then fly them all together. Make a real show, arrange dogfights, break every barrier previously set by less incredible planes. And this little bugger is so cool, it can even fly around the office. Yeah, you just sent a love note through a smartphone-controlled paper airplane. You have lived. Power Up Dart is ready for production, so if you want to fly aerobatics with the most incredible of all incredible planes, back Power Up Dart and start flying.
We spend countless hours creating and consuming content. From sharing updates and playing games to watching our favorite shows, we connect to content and each other with the power of our smartphones. But why do we let their small screens make our content feel small? Because smartphone screens can only get so big and tablets have limited functionality. Until now, meet SuperScreen, the world's first portable touchscreen that wirelessly turns your smartphone into a full-screen tablet and more. Just download the SuperScreen app to your phone and turn on your SuperScreen. That's it. SuperScreen will display exactly what you see on your smartphone screen, so you can use your phone's apps, bookmarks, data, Wi-Fi, and mobile connection. No clouds, wires, file transfers, or paid contracts. If you have your smartphone with you, SuperScreen will work for you. SuperScreen is the perfect device for fans of all types of content. Hollywood movies will leap off the surface. Gamers will have a full-screen competitive edge. Root for your favorite sports teams in full HD. Easily view larger product images while shopping, and post to social networks with a tablet-sized keyboard. Hi, I'm Brent, lead engineer, designer, and inventor of SuperScreen. We all love watching and enjoying content on our smartphones, but even large phones offer a subpar viewing experience. We rarely use our tablets because our phones are so much more personalized and functional. I knew there had to be a way to make a low-cost, high-quality touchscreen device that could harness the power of the smartphones you already own. That's why we created SuperScreen, the most affordable, large-screen device that doesn't need a paid contract. SuperScreen has a rechargeable battery that lasts 12 hours and an operating range of up to 100 feet. The integrated stereo speakers and Bluetooth headphone compatibility provide impeccable high-fidelity audio. And the built-in HD camera makes taking pictures and videos easier than ever before. Our specialized technology means your smartphone and your SuperScreen will mirror and transmit with no perceived delay. SuperScreen will ship with compatibility for nearly all Apple and Android devices and will be compatible for new models in the future. Our team has decades of experience bringing products to market, and we'd love for you to join us to make SuperScreen a success. Thank you for your support.
At first, it seems like a regular top. You give it a spin, and it spins. Then time passes. Minutes become more minutes. Someone comes in to ask a question. He notices that it's already been 2 minutes, and this top on your table hasn't stopped spinning. You tell him, that's limbo, and it's actually been 15. He calls a friend over. More people gather. You show them a trick it can do. You show them a few. Someone points to the design. You tell them it's made from high-grade metals. You show them a video of how it was made. A delivery guy says that it looks like that top from that movie. Everyone agrees. A few people finally ask how it works. Maybe you tell them, maybe you don't. Maybe a friend who already knows tells them that there's a battery-operated gyro inside and that the entire thing is rechargeable. A girl who knows her tech says, wow, that's pretty impressive. A few of them nod. Everyone continues to stare. You go out to a meeting, you come back, you type that spreadsheet you were working on all afternoon. People come in and out. Limbo keeps spinning. You go home. Only after 4 hours have passed, Limbo rests. Tomorrow, it will all start again.
One of the biggest dilemmas in the history of the kitchen. If you reach for the faucet to turn it on with your dirty hand, you're going to end up with a dirty hand when you turn it off after washing. So why bother washing hands at all? Introducing Auto Water Pro, a smart, touchless device that operates the faucet hands-free. With simple swiping hand gestures, you may turn the faucet on or off and control the flow of water. Hands-free eliminates the possibility of contamination, meaning Auto Water Pro can ensure a truly healthy, germ-free hand-washing experience. But that's not all. The activated carbon fiber composite filter purifies 100% of the contaminants at a molecular level, ensuring the purity and potability of every single drop of water. It offers the highest level of chlorine absorption while making zero compromise in water flow. Auto Water Pro comes in 2 different setups, one for the kitchen and one for the bathroom. With 6 different connectors available and a simple clicking installation, Auto Water Pro works with just about any faucet in the world. It's not just a powerful gadget that provides convenience, it represents a way of life. Simpler, safer, smarter. Auto Water Pro.
Take your trust to the next level. With Feinster Duo, you can finally give your pet the freedom he needs while keeping your peace of mind. A tiny and smart wearable device helps you care for that best friend of yours, using high-precision GPS technology to track their location in real time. Practical and easy to use, Feinster lets you stay connected even when you're away. Share access to your pets with your family and friends and monitor their safety from anywhere. The virtual leash adds an extra layer of protection during your walks, ensuring your pet keeps up with you at all times. Love is a full-time job, but sometimes life gets in the way. Feinster helps you stay one step ahead, even when Mr. Tailwagger decides to go on his little solo expeditions. Feinster is the extra set of eyes you've always wanted to have, but instead of helping you look, it guides you right to your pet's location. But going out with your little buddy is also about sharing new adventures and celebrating your unique bond. Challenges and leaderboards are available, because fun should always be a part of the experience. Revisit your walks or analyze your performance. Feinster helps you guarantee you're both getting the most out of your activities. It also provides you with key data to make sure your best friend's needs are always attended to. But Feinster Duo goes beyond that. It is also the first product that rewards you for keeping your pet healthy. Connect yourself to the ones you love with Feinster Duo.
Hello, my name is Chewy, and this is my owner. He seems to be really interested in stopping me from breaking away. Current GPS trackers aren't a solution. And believe me, I made sure he realized that the hard way. I think the fact that all of them required a contract and monthly fees didn't help either. Since then, he focused on solving the problem himself.
El rastreador Feinster original fue financiado en Indiegogo hace 2 años, apoyado por más de 1 millar de mecenas de más de 50 países. Ahora este grupo está trabajando en Feinster Duo, el siguiente paso en la evolución de los seguidores de mascotas. Además de las capacidades de seguimiento, han añadido numerosas funciones para medir mi bienestar.
Not to mention rankings and leaderboards, because I'm also a social being. The only thing they're missing to make it happen is your help. So if you'd also like to keep tabs on your furry friends, go ahead and help them. Meanwhile, we'll keep working on new ways to escape. Ow, 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 ow!